Hello to all of you wonderful Nillumbik Shire Council business community. My name is Despina Karatius from the Institute of Excellence, and in collaboration with the Yarra Ranges Tourism, it is my pleasure to join you as your facilitator on Wednesday 27th of November from 9:30 till 12:30 p.m. for an exciting Tourism 101 training together at Fondata 1872 to explore what it means to tap into tourism and the growth potential to you and your business. During our time together, we will cover 3 key modules: understanding tourism and the visitor economy, delivering outstanding visitor experiences, and tourism and the spirit of collaboration. This training will help you discover how to successfully adapt and adopt your mindset, your systems and strategies to build a successful tourism business to assist in the delivery of extraordinary visitor experiences in your region. Our core purpose in delivering this training is to empower and equip you with the skills and knowledge to successfully develop and market to your visitor the experiences that you know you do so well in the wonderful region that you work and live in. It's a great time of year to put your growth strategy together for your customer-centric values to be front and center, to finish the year strong and put our best foot forward for 2020. So please register your interest via the links provided, and I can't wait to see you on the 27th. Until then, my dear friends, be excellent today and every single day. So here's to your excellence. Bye for now from Despina Karatius from Institute of Excellence. I'll see you then.